How to log into your NETGEAR router's web interface. Connect your device, laptop, PC, or mobile, to the NETGEAR router using Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable for a stable connection. Open any web browser like Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox on your connected device. In the browser's address bar, type http://192.168.1.1 or http://192.168.0.1 and make sure you type it correctly without spaces. Press Enter on your keyboard or tap Go on your mobile to load the NETGEAR login page. When prompted, enter the router's username. The default is usually admin unless you have changed it. Enter the router's password. The default is usually password unless you have set your own. Click the Login or OK button to proceed. Wait a few seconds for the NETGEAR admin dashboard to appear on your screen. From here, you can change your Wi-Fi name, SSID, Wi-Fi password, security type, and other router settings. When finished, click Log Out or simply close the browser to keep your router settings secure.